Baby, I took a whole month off of YouTube. Now we're going to talk about why. Stay tuned, y'all.
The ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
When I tell y'all life has been lifing, like many of you guys, I just kind of had to take a break lately. Between everything going on in the world and everything that's just been going on personally, y'all, I had to get myself together, okay? I had to get it together, but one monkey don't stop no show, and one thing I can say is I've been outside. I have been outside. I have been working with some amazing brands. I've really been in my UGC bag. So although I have been creating content, it just hasn't been content that's had to be put on my social media platforms. So I've also really been working on my weight gain journey. I have been eating, okay? I am really trying to gain this 10 pounds for summer. And in order to do that, I really just had to isolate and really work on myself. This year I do turn 40, and there are a lot of things that I want to fix within myself. And in order to do that, I'm just one of those people that need to isolate. So I really just took off the last few weeks to just work on myself, okay? One of those things is working on my health, my spiritual well-being, as well as my physical well-being. But I have been gaining weight, and I cannot wait to show you guys the results of my journey. So I've also been working on my self-care. Self-care is something that is super important to me, and I have been making sure that time that I haven't been using to create content, I've been doing things that are really for me, okay? I don't know the last time I just sat back and took a bubble bath and just really worked on myself. I've also really been getting out a lot. I am a homebody. So recently, I've really been getting out and experiencing a lot of firsts, as well as just living in the moment. On this day, me and my son got out and we went to the Torpedo Factory in Alexandria. So I'll do a brief little recap of that. Basically, it's like an art museum, kind of, but the artists are there. So it was really nice to meet a lot of Black artists. This was during Black History Month, which made it really nice to link up with a lot of Black artists and also just see what they had to offer. I actually seen a real life torpedo, y'all. Again, met with a lot of Black artists, a lot of exhibits. It was something that was my first time there, as well as with my son. Me and him do like a monthly date, and this was our date that we did. I'm also a really big history buff, so I just love that they had like artifacts as well as this amazing exhibit here, okay? So now, y'all, let's jump into Valentine's Day, okay? So I literally have not been posting, so I started the day just treating myself. I went and got a pedicure, and I still had to go to work, but I made sure that I took that morning to just treat myself. So I got a pedicure, and once I got to work, we had like a little Valentine's Day party for the staff. That was amazing. Everybody really enjoyed themselves. I also got a whole lot of gifts for Valentine's Day, so a lot of these were for my coworkers. Y'all, look what Maria bought me from Saudi Arabia, y'all. So it's these cute glasses. I am obsessed with glasses. Look at that. So freaking cute. And they come on this cute tray. The cutest. And then she knows I love jade. Let me show y'all this. Y'all, look at this. How pretty. My favorite gemstone with the gold. This is probably the third or fourth. It's like the third pendant you done bought me, I think. Yeah.
What's those shot glasses?
Aren't they gorgeous? Thank you, Coco, for my coffee mug. Y'all, isn't that the cutest? Like, I love that. All the feels. So guys, while I was out at the nail place, I popped into a Ross, and y'all, I found this cute Aldo purse. I thought it was so cute. It was like perfect for Valentine's Day. It just made me feel super feminine, and I needed like a quick work bag. And this cute cherry chain came from Temu. And I got a bento box for me to pack my lunch. Like, so freaking cute. Look at that. I think it's something in here too. Oh, okay. Oh, so it steams. I love that. I felt like I heard some other pieces. Oh, it has like the dipping sauces and stuff. Thank you so much, little baby. Thank you. Gifts is my love language. Look at my surprises I got. Shout out to my work baby, Marshall. This is so cute. I love that. And then she got me a new lunchbox. And let me show y'all. So y'all, I finally got home, and I'm not gonna lie, baby, all the dates showed up and showed out for your girl, okay? Y'all know I'm single and I'm dating, and everybody I'm dating at the time, baby, they all came through with them gifts, okay? I got balloons, I got flowers, I got these amazing red roses that were absolutely beautiful. I have a thing about a red rose, okay? I also got dinner cooked for me, and then I got a little bit of content, y'all, so I was out taking pictures and got a little bit of content for Fashion Nova as well. Shout out to Fashion Nova for the fit, as well as shout out to Fashion Nova for those bomb shoes, okay? Those are the Tom Ford dupes, and they was cute. So here go a couple of my pictures that I took. But yeah, it was just a lot of fun. I really enjoyed myself, okay? So Valentine's Day was definitely hitting. Then when I thought it was all done, it won't, okay? Because then I got more roses, okay, y'all? I literally got roses from like 2 or 3 different people, and they were all beautiful. So once I finally got back home and got relaxed, y'all, I just put my flowers up, lit my candles, and, you know, just set the tone for myself. Like, I love this era I'm in. Like, I've really been on my own time, doing my own thing, like really pouring into myself. And in turn of doing that, I've found that I've been attracting a lot better quality people and just better situations. So yeah, okay. Then my little boo, y'all, ran me a nice hot little bubble bath. So I was loving that, okay? Like, the love and the self-care been on 1,000, okay? I'm just saying, made me a cute little cocktail, and I just relaxed. So that pretty much sums up everything I've been doing, guys. I wanted to check in with y'all, okay? Because your girl been outside and living her best life. Now I am about to jump back in these YouTube streets, okay? Because your girl needs to get back on my schedule and get back to these hauls and doing what I gotta do. If you have not, then make sure you guys go to my last vlog. It is this Fashion Nova haul that I just recorded. So you guys make sure you go check that out, okay? It just went up, which should be yesterday. And again, y'all, I've just been living my best life and just enjoying life, doing what I can do for me, and just really taking care of myself on the inside out. I know it's a lot going on in the world, so my advice to everybody is just take time for you. Make sure you are enjoying the little things. Stay prayed up. Make sure you're staying inspired, and do not let nothing that's going on mess with your mental, okay? You guys stay tuned for the next vlog. Bye, guys. Look at that outro. Ain't it cute? Bye, y'all.